Hey guys, today is a very special episode because His Majesty, the King, William Alexander, and the royal family is coming to the princess. That's right, we got all the press, all the media, everybody is here to see the King. So we're gonna give you a little bit behind the scenes as he takes a tour of the princess, Princess Juliana International Airport, that is. Okay, so we're inside the princess, of course. We know what it looks like a little bit, but you have a lot of the press for the very first time from Holland and from SXM, St. Martin, that have never been in here during the construction process. So we're waiting for His Majesty, King William Alexander, and of course the royal family is going to take a little tour and see all the progress that is going on. Now, he was here in 2017, right after Irma. So I'm kind of wondering what he's thinking about the progress of what's going on. As we look around, and of course His Majesty, King William Alexander is here, you can see a lot of improvements, or should I say work being done from the last time we was inside, and it's looking pretty good, These are going to be the stores that Mirto mentioned, but so far so good. So we're waiting for the King, he's coming. As you can see, a lot of the workers up top, they're also waiting his arrival for the King to come. His Majesty, how are you?
Hello.
I know you haven't been here since 2017.
No, I haven't been here since 2017. First of all, we were here during just after Irma, and then we were back here in the beginning of December.
Yeah. So what do you think?
It could have been ready, but it's on its way.
Okay, all right. So I have a quick idea. You have an airport named after your mother, your grandmother.
Yeah.
What about the princess here? Can we get an airport named after her in the Caribbean?
Well, I'm also looking for an airport.
Thank you, Your Highness.
How you doing?
Hey, I'm kind of like speechless already. I mean, I met a couple of kings before, like King Verse, King James, Don King, but I never really met a real king. But anyway, it's been a pleasure to meet His Majesty, the King. It was crazy. He got to look at the princess. And you heard what he said, you know, not much has changed, but we're getting there. We're getting there slowly but surely. And it's really an honor for him to come and see this building once again, as watching the progress, you know, of course, how it evolved and how it's going to evolve. So I really hope we can make him proud, and I hope when this is all done and said and the princess is back up on her feet, that he can come back and see everything that is done here at the Princess. Hit that like button, subscribe, follow us. I'm still speechless. Restoring a Princess. It's G Money. Wow.